Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a pattern lock to your Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the menu icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should tap on this your username at the top. Then scroll down to the account and security section and click on the second option, which is pattern lock. After that, tap on this button on the right side to enable pattern lock. Then you should draw an unlock pattern and draw the pattern again. And as you can see, it has been set successfully. So when you open the app, you should draw this pattern again. If you would like to disable it, just come back to this section and click on the same button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.